Hi, this is Retreat Briefing on Monday, January 29, and today's topic is that Bitcoin is rising and will the market will rise too. So the currently altcoins are pumping continuously and the major coins, not altcoins, major coins such as Bitcoin or Ethereum are also recovering slightly from the fall from last seasons. And the Goya Dominance 1 chart seems quite nice, near 46 points in 12 p.m. in Korean time. So it seems the coin market is quite hopeful for rising. And I'll talk about more deeply about each coins with the premium chart, Goya premium chart. So let's start. And this is the Goya Dominance chart from January 27, 1 p.m. All it's Korea time, South Korea time. And January 29, 12 p.m. So it starts from here to here. And you can see that it reached almost to like 70 and in 28 some kind of 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. around there, 4 p.m. But it started to drop again, but it's rising again right here. So we can expect quite a good stance that the coin will rise again. The Bitcoin will rise again. Oh, sorry. The dominance chart is the gather of the whole coin, not only Bitcoin but every coin. So yeah, the market itself have a possibility to go up. So we're not 100% sure. So you guys need to be careful by your decide by your mind. Not we're not approving your money. So here must be careful with investment. And this briefing is only for reference. So don't just believe and do what we say, and you need to think about whether it's gonna be right or wrong. Use to make money. And yeah, so this is a liquidation heat map for over 24 hours. The Bitcoin has risen slightly, so the $31 million for the short position were liquidated. And Ethereum had a slight fall, so the long position, it's $15.86 million, were liquidated. The whole gather was $106.52 million. Yeah, but recently the Bitcoin and the Ethereum, those two are the biggest coin. They are moving in opposite ways, so it's quite a difficult decision whether the coin prices will go up and down. But in all, like watching this all coins, it seems like the price has dropped because in last 24 hours, because the graph shows it's green all over. Yeah, but the Bitcoin is rising, so this is quite a big issue in the coin market, since Bitcoin is like dominating the markets almost like 40 to 50%. So you need to still have a careful look. And this is 4-hour heat map, and all the coins were started to rise. Bitcoin and Solana or Ethereum and others, API 3, LSK, it's all red, and this means that short position like future contracts were liquidated. So yeah, we are having a slight going upward, but I'm not sure whether it's gonna go up, continuously go up, or just go down again. And this is about the events that will happen this week. Tomorrow, it's Tuesday, January 30, at 7 o'clock. This is Korea time, South Korea time. The OKX jumpstarts starting this D mail with the Bitcoin and other coins to stack them, and Zeta also. And I only wrote down the events that might affect the coin market, so yeah. And Wednesday we have an Ethereum like Cancun update tested in the Sepolia testnet, and if this test goes well, it might be good news for the Ethereum. And Thursday we have an FED deciding about the interest rates. So if this interest rates, and it depends on this interest rates about the stock market and the coin market. Also, it's all related. So yeah, you need to carefully look about this decision. And this is not the good news. The Google starting a commercial, like allowing them to make a commercial about the Bitcoin and the ETF. It's starting in 29 in USA time, America time. So this is a quite good news, because many like normal peoples that don't know about the cryptocurrency market will have an interest while watching these commercials. So it's quite a good news. And it's another news. The hedge funds are reducing Bitcoin short positions. This means that the hedge funds thought that the Bitcoin's price will go up because they are reducing it. So they are not expecting the Bitcoin's price will go down. So yeah, it's quite a good news that the Bitcoin might rise. I'm keep focusing on might, so it's not sure. I'm not a god, so I cannot predict everything in the coin market, but these like news are making an hopeful insight. So yeah, by gathering these news, we can think about hopefully about the coin market. And this is a Bitcoin's liquidation heat map in Binance. And this was last Friday. It's 26, and it was like this. And we briefed that there's a lot of money gathering upward here. So the market maker or the whales might increase the Bitcoin's price, and we predicted that. And it's 29 today, and we had an increase up to like, this was around 40,000, and made a big increase up to almost 43,000. It's 42,800 something. Yeah, we had a big rise, and the chart seems going down for a little bit, but it went back up, and there's still yellow things around here. But the short positions are increasing too, so we cannot assure that the coin's price will go up. But yeah, there's a high possibility of going up. I think. And this is an RSI heat map for the crypto market, and you can see that last Friday there was a lot of coins were just hanging over here, like under 60, over 40. But today the RSI was going up. This means that people are trying to buy more because they think that the coin price will go up. So yeah, it's not in the overbought, this over 70 points. Yeah, but we need to see if those coins are all going up like over 60, then the how do I say, the atmosphere of rising, I think when those coins go over 60, it might go down. Yeah. So let's look at the premium chart for the Bitcoins and Ethereum, so we can see it more deeply. This site is our site, Retreat Briefing site, and this always it's also saying that futures trading risk notices and spot trading recommendations. This means that higher average for the futures trading is very risky, very, very, very risky. So it might just blow your money all away. So you guys need to always be careful. So let's start with let's start to look at the chart. Let's start with Bitcoin. And the dominance chart, it's for 2 days. It's weekend, 27, like 5 o'clock. Let's keep going. Look at this point. It's like 70.14 or 70, yeah, 70.14. And dominance chart was really high, and this means that till 28, like 2 p.m., the altcoins were going up, but yeah, it dropped after that and trying to recover it, but yeah, it went back down. But it's the 44 or 45 is still a high point. It's not going under like 20 or minus. So yeah, we still can expect the coins are going up. Might go up, yeah. I keep forget saying might, but yeah, you guys need to be careful. So let's look at the premium chart. And this is over the weekend. The price was just keep going up. You can see the price went up, 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 and it started to decrease for a while. This is just about in 29 a.m. The price started to go down for a bit. It's almost 41773, and we got an S2 signal here. It means the short signal, so the price might go down. But we got an L signal here, and this means that the price might go up. It's 7 o'clock today, a.m., and 8 o'clock today. But look at this pink lines, our Goya lines graph. It's just moving to the right without like fluctuating up and down, and this means that the market might go like in moving in sideways. So as you can see, it was going up and down, but when they met this Goya line, look at this slight green. Can you see it? This slight green, we got an L2 here, and it went down, and the L is keep going, and we got a positive candle here. This might mean that supported by this pink Goya line, it might go up to point about last day's highest point, not highest point, yeah, somewhere here. Where is it? It's 4 to 500. Yeah, around here. 4 to 500. Oh yeah, this point when L2 happened. So if it bounced back here supported by this pink Goya line, it might reach somewhere here or like here, the half of this long candles, somewhere here. And if it breaks through these points, it might rise back somewhere like the yesterday's highest point, somewhere like here. Yeah, but we wish it could go up until like 43,000, but this is like hoping, so don't just think that it will go up and just put everything here. And if it just breaks through and go down, yeah, it might play around somewhere here, I think, like over, where is it, 42,000, because the all signals are saying that the coin are rising, but yeah, the slope of this line is not that up and down, so I think the coin price will move around here. So we gonna watch in here in Binance. So this place is kind of where, you know, the Goya line is, and I think it's going this place to somewhere here, going up and down, you know, going up and down, and supported by the Goya line. Might go up or might go down, so keep an eye on it. But I think there's a possibility to go up, because all the signs are saying that it's highly to go up. So yeah, you can see the selling and buy point. As I said, this point, it's the AI calculating, it's $42688. If it rebounds here and break through the $42.5 thousand, there's a high possibility to go up to here, and if it breaks over this, it might go up to yesterday's highest point, and we wish it goes to like 43,000, but it's quite a difficult thing to say. And this place is the lowest point near. It might be the first place to buy, because the market is keep having a slight rising atmosphere all over the crypto market. So this might be the first place to buy and watch. Buy a little bit and watch. The price will go going up and down. And if it goes down, and this might be the $41.36 thousand, might be your second place to buy. So this is it for the Bitcoin, and we're gonna see about the Ethereum. This chart is same for the all coins, so forget about it. I already explained it after that. So let's see the Ethereum. We have a lot of signals here. It's like Friday, Saturday, and kept going up till yesterday, but this place for today. And you can see that there was an S signal, which was yesterday's 5 o'clock, and it went down actually under this Goya line, and there was an S2 signal here, so the price was going down, but we got an L signal here, and it broke through the Goya line. But the same as Bitcoin, the Goya line's slope is just flat, and this means that the coin will highly go moving sideways. And you can see, look, it went through the Goya line and back down and break through. It's just moving up and down, slightly near the Goya line. So I think it has the S2 signals are keep here, and this L signal we have it, but I think it's not a big deal. So I think if the Ethereum rises, the highest point, it might be somewhere here. The highest point, yeah, the highest point might be here or somewhere here, and I think the price will go down for a little bit, somewhere like this mountain looking places. I think the price will, oh, this was what I used for studying, so yeah, I think the price will go somewhere here, near somewhere here, moving around, and we have to watch if it breaks through down this place. So if it breaks through here and just keep going down, it would, yeah, it would be hard to go back again. So our suggested selling and buying point, as I just said, it's yesterday's somewhere high. It's $2301, 0.81, and real high is 2308. But I personally don't think the Ethereum will go up to here. And we got to see that Wednesday's news about the testnet. Yeah, I think that news might be important. And the buying place, you know, as I said, it's moving somewhere near here, so this place would be a first point to buy a little amount and watch whether it's going up or down. And this point is a expectation of a big drop, somewhere like these long candles. These long candles. It's about, yes, it's last week's somewhere points, lowest points. So if it drops, it might drop, just keep drop, but then these places might be a good place to buy some and wait till they go up. Yeah. And let's watch Ripple. This is a Ripple chart. It's, you can see, as you can see, we got an S and S2. So it just, when keep drop, it was just dropping, and those long lines under the candles went down, but we got a L here, so we got a slight rise, and this, yeah, we got a slight rise, but still the S2 signal is remaining, and we didn't got the L1, L2, L3 signals, so it's just fluctuating up and down. But I personally think that the Ripple will go down for a while. And look at this place, it just went through the Goya line and went back under the Goya line, and it was starting to go up for a little bit, yeah, but we're not quite sure it will rise back all the way here. So I think we should like wait for somewhere here under the Goya line to buy and wait for the rise. So let's see, if there's no L signal and keep goes down, might be somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here. It's last day's lowest points. No, it's not last day. Oh, it's today's morning's. Today morning's the lowest points, somewhere over here. Yeah, these places might be a good place to buy for the first time and wait whether it's going up and down. We're gonna show you the suggested sell and buy price. These are very hopeful, you know, very like hoping to go up, but not sure about that. And you can see that 0.52060 is exactly like today's lowest point. And this point, yeah, I think it's quite a good place to buy and wait for the rebound. So I think we need to keep watch whether the L signals are appearing or not. Let's go to Doji. This is a Doji coin. Yeah, we had an L signals over here, and the price went up and up and up and up into 0.08 this place, but we got a S signal here, and the price was starting to going down under the Goya line, so it break through here. After the S appeared, it just broke through this line and just went going down and up and down, up and down. And the Goya chart is Goya's line is also going down, but we had an L signal here. So, and look at these. Can you see these long candles? How do I say tails? These points are that. This points means that people try to break through this line somewhere like here, but couldn't make it, so they are making another rise, and they are keep trying to break down this place to go down. So if there's no L signal appearing after these places, it might go somewhere down here, I think. So let's look at suggested selling and buying points. Yeah, can you see that? This might be the place to sell if the Dogecoin rises back again, like breaking through this Goya line, but we're still not sure about that. So look at this point. It's just the place where I put the line on. Yesterday's this point. If it breaks through this point and goes down, and this might be bad news for the Dogecoin. So look at this by 1, 2, and just 3, 4, 5, 6. It's all going down. So if this line breaks, it will be a hard time for the Doji to get back up. So, and if this situation like not couldn't break through, this situation keeps happens, yeah, it might be a good place to just get a small profit like 1%, because it will gonna try and just rebound for a bit. Yeah, like this graph shows it. So it's good place to get a 1 or 2% small profit. So you can use this premium chart to have a successful trading, and I wish you guys all a good luck. And yeah, just please don't use big references and lose everything you have. Just don't be too greedy. Keep watch out. Be careful, and just satisfy with those small profits. And when it gathers, it makes a big money. So don't rush into the coin market. Don't panic. Gotta keep an eye on it. Every news. So yeah, I hope you have a good trade today. Thank you.